meteorologist Angelica Campos is here with what we can expect as we continue on with the day.
Hi, Melissa. Rain and snow will continue for the rest of the day, and as we go into tonight, it will get better for some parts of the county, and for others, it's going to get worse. So I'll show you what I mean in just a second. Looking at the conditions, it is cloudy with showers from San Diego, Coronado, all the way to the North County and Oceanside, and as you travel east, El Cajon and Ramona, also looking at a cold rain. So far today, we've seen accumulations, and this, of course, adding since yesterday, anywhere from a trace in the deserts and Borrego Springs to about 1/4 of an inch at the airport here in San Diego. In Carlsbad, more than 1/2 an inch of rain. In areas like San Marcos, almost 1/2 an inch. Valley Center, very close to that same number. In Otay, just over 1/2 an inch of rainfall. So truly a lot of diversity with how much rain we've seen all around the county. As we look at the temperatures right now, 30s Julian, 43 Warner Springs, 51 degrees in Del Mar, and it is going to get colder as we go into tonight. It is a cold system, a winter storm. It is bringing snow into our mountains. Of course, as we zoom in the North County, you see some of those heavy bands of rain indicating those yellows. There's that rain in Camp Pendleton, Oceanside, Vista, pretty widespread right now. As we look down into the South Bay, a couple of breaks in Chula Vista and San Diego, but you move north into Terracena and you have rain also in Jamul, a little bit heavier as you travel along the 8 near El Cajon, and then moving into the mountains, there is a snow which is going to accumulate most likely between 1 and 3 inches in places like Julian. Once you travel higher, it is going to be a little bit more snow, probably even up to 12 inches above 5,000 feet. So our winter storm warning will stay in effect until 10 a.m. And basically most of the snow is going to fall until at least 8 a.m. But when we look at the rain for San Diego, it's actually going to get better overnight. After 11 o'clock, almost no chances. Everything will start to push farther to the east. Looking at our rain futurecast, not everyone will stay dry around midnight, but almost everyone. It is going to be closer to Chula Vista and also closer to the border where we'll see most of the rain. Our rain futurecast, of course, not able to catch all that snow that's going to be falling, but we're expecting it. Accumulations additionally anywhere from another 1/4 of an inch to an inch of rain depending where you live, and snow accumulations as we go into areas like Julian, of course, a lower elevation, 1 to 3 inches. Areas like Mount Laguna, Palomar Mountain could have another 3 to 7 inches of snow. So expect to see issues on our mountain communities, especially with the roads being slick. Cold weather will continue for the overnight hours. Temperatures around 58 degrees for tomorrow at the coast, drying out, but starting the day with morning clouds. We'll see more sunshine Wednesday, adding a few clouds Thursday and Friday, and then heading into the weekend, the marine layer is going to bring back some patchy fog starting as early as Friday. Inland communities will stay in the low 60s for tomorrow. Also looking at those clouds in the morning, mixing throughout the day. Temperatures will moderate towards the end of the week on Thursday and Friday, and by the weekend, at least one day closer to 70 degrees. It's typically closer to 70 that you see most days, but not this week. In the mountains, cold weather will continue with snow levels right around 3,500 feet. Snow will continue falling until at least 8 o'clock in the morning. Then it'll taper off throughout the day. We'll stay dry in the deserts as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday. If there is a chance, it'll be very early in the morning, probably before 9 a.m. The rest of the day will be drier with plenty of sunshine for the end of the week, and at least the temperatures will feel much better on Friday. Melissa?
A lot going on. Thanks.